Okay, yeah. So arrange the following periodical in the chronological order in which they started their publications. First, Spectator,
1711,
Tatler,
1709,
Rambler,
1750 to 52,
1752,
52.
The Critical Review,
Ma'am, the Rambler 1750,
sorry, 50, The Critical Review.
1756.
So it's BACD. D is the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, who among these does Gabriel Garcia Marquez? Who among these does Gabriel Garcia Marquez in the beginning of his Nobel Prize address? Yes,
Maybe ये
E,
Pigafetta and Ferdinand Magellan.
yes.
A and D.
Pigafetta and Ferdinand de Magellan, you have said. Who is Pigafetta and Ferdinand de Magellan? Describe me. Why he must have mentioned them. Who is Ferdinand Magellan?
No idea. Maybe authors.
Pigafetta is the author of the book, write down, The Solitude of Latin America. The Solitude of Latin America. And Antonio Pigafetta is a navigator who Antonio Pigafetta is the author of this book and is a navigator who went on the voyage of the world, who went on the voyage of the world in America. He is a navigator who went with Ferdinand de Magellan on his first voyage around the world. On his first voyage around the world. And Ferdinand Magellan was the first person who went on uh, the voyage of the world in 1522, who rounded the world and wrote his book that the world is round. Okay, so Ferdinand de Magellan is the first person who rounded the world, and Pigafetta is the one who accompanied him. So Gabriel Garcia Marquez named both of them because Pigafetta wrote this book after the journey he took with the Ferdinand de Magellan. Got it?
Ma'am, he got Nobel Prize in 1982.
19.
1982.
He wrote he took the prize in 1982, and in that he mentioned the name of these two writers, these two voyagers. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
73. Which of these constitute the only extant trilogy from ancient Greek tragedy? King Oedipus, Oedipus at Colonus and Antigone, Agamemnon, Chapari and Eumenides, Agamemnon, Orestes and Eumenides, King Oedipus, Orestes and Antigone. What is the right answer?
A option.
Yes, the correct answer is A. We all know that this is a trilogy. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Sophocles.
Hmm. Now match the following. Which of these does the book and the writer are being matched? The author and the book combination. So let's see. Pindar, What is the book of Pindar?
Epinephrine first.
Okay.
Ma'am, first one.
Menander,
New
New
comedy.
comedy.
new comedy, Menander.
Sappho,
Sappho,
Lyric
Gold
poetry.
lyrical poetry, and Aristophanes,
Old comedy.
old comedy. So A का 1, B is 4, C for 3, and D for 2. Right? That is
Yes, ma'am.
2 is the answer. Now 74, 5. Which of these does the book How to Read Donald Duck identify as an important element of its analysis in imperialist ideology in the Walt Disney comic book?
Ma'am, Noble Savage.
Yes, ma'am.
No, which of these uh, does the book How to Read Donald Duck identify as an important element in its analysis of imperialist ideology in the Walt Disney comic book? Improvised royalty, noble savage, scientific magic, heartless civilization. देखो, obviously scientific magic is not there, right? Because there is no scientific thing is being talked about. किसी भी तरह की scientific चीज की तो बात की नहीं गई है. Right, improvised royalty was also not there because only Donald Duck may Uncle Scrooge was the royal and other characters are all working class. So improvised royalty was also not taken. Now अब दो चीज है, heartless civilization and noble savage. If the noble savage is there, then we can say because noble people are being displayed by the animals, that is savage. So this can be the answer, and heartless civilization is not being shown here. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, everyone. Are you getting me how I'm finding the answer? Because even I haven't read this book, but how I'm analyzing it,
Ma'am, similarly, I analyzed
yeah,
Noble Savage.
definitely that is why I'm saying, that is why I have described all the options. Yes, everyone, I want an answer. Everyone understood how I am identifying all the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Getting my point, right? Now, next is match the book with the authors. Bertolt Brecht,
Life of
Galileo, very good.
1943.
Tennessee Williams, American
Ma'am,
writer.
Cat on a Hot
Cat
Tin
on
Roof.
Yes,
Hot
Hot
Tin
Tin Roof. Bertolt Brecht is a German writer. He's an American writer. Wolfgang Havel,
Temptation.
Temptation.
Temptation, because he is the one I didn't heard about. Augustin Steinberg, Miss Julie. We all know about it, right? And he is Augustin Steinberg is again a German writer, right? वर्ल्ड लिटरेचर में आते हैं ये सारे आपके. तो is option A for 2, option B for 1, is fourth is the answer, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And then Temptation, it's a writer of Czech Republic, Czechoslovakia. Wolfgang Havel is a Czech writer. Is a Czech writer. Spent many times in Vienna. Many times in Vienna and created this book Temptations only there. Write down about. Okay, this book was published in 1985. It's a contemporary. Written? Done? Should I move on to the another question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next. Which of the plays by Girish Karnad share the theme with Thomas Mann, The Transposed Heads? बताओ, ये कल भी डिस्कस किया ना हमने.
Hayavadana, Hayavadana.
Hayavadana.
Hayavadana, जिसमें the heads are being changed and the girl was confused whether to go with the, मतलब who is the real husband, right? And she was already
Yes, ma'am.
tempted by the body of the friend of the husband.
Kapila, Kapila.
Yeah, Kapila. So that is Hayavadana is the right option here. Everyone knew it, or is there anyone who didn't know the answer? Because this was the simplest of the question we are getting. One of the simplest of the question. Yes, Amit, Mohan, did you know the
Yes, ma'am.
answer?
No, madam, I was not known.
You didn't know the answer,
I
no.
too. I even didn't know the answer.
Who said it in the girls?
Actually, ma'am, I
Anamika,
have joined in
Anamika. Okay, you
because
joined
in
later,
the
now.
May.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes,
I can
ma'am.
understand.
That's why. Yeah, so
That's okay. That's okay. When you will complete the classes, you will definitely get it. Now, next question is about the decolonization of the Mao mind. With which of these is Gugiwa Thiengo generally associated? Yes, this was again a very simplest of the question. Whosoever know should not answer. Just try. Let me ask Mohan.
Decolonizing the mind.
Ma'am, you already told the
colonizing the
answer.
mind, I think.
Decolonize. I have already told the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Decolonizing of the mind. That is Gugiwa Thiengo's work, and that is a critical work about it language. Okay? Language association. Now match the following again. Don Quito. किसका है? Don
Miguel de
Goethe.
Cervantes.
It is.
Cervantes.
Oh,
And Sorrows of Young Reader.
Goethe.
Goethe.
Goethe. Lost Illusions.
Honor de Balzac.
Henri Balzac. Very good.
Balzac.
And epitaph of a small winner is Asses.
Theodore Dreiser.
Yeah,
Option C.
Machado de Asses. I don't know this writer. The first one I don't know. Now, A answer is 4 and C is the correct combination. C, if you know only one option, then also you are getting the answer. Can you see that? In all the match of the following, if you know one or two, you will be able to get the correct answers there. Now, let me see if I have a detail of it. Yes, definitely I have. So, illusions. Lost Illusions is by Henri de Balzac and Ghost Messages, Cubas, yeah. Uh, this writer is a writer from Cuba, Machado de Assis. Machado de Assis is a writer from Cuba. He's a French writer. He's a Portuguese. He is a Portuguese writer, Brazil, living in Brazil. In periodicals, London Magazine, Edinburgh Review, Quarterly Review, or Athenaeum. London Magazine, right? It's a very simple question. Now, Mr. Bennett and Mrs. Brown, Virginia Woolf, response to E.M. Forster's remark to the characters in fiction, criticizes the book buying preference to the educated English class, analyzes the state of modern fiction, contrasting the two generations of writer, or presented modernity as a stable and coherent project uniting all writers.
Analyzes the state of modern
Analysis.
fiction by
Yes.
contrasting two
Ma'am,
generations
contrasting
Two
of
generations of writer. What are the two generations she has made the contrast?
Miss Mr. Bennett and Mrs. Brown is, I think,
Hmm.
uh, ma'am, दो generation are Mr. Bennett And Mrs. Brown, I think her own generation, Virginia Woolf's generation.
Okay, and Mr. Bennett belongs to the early Victorian period.
Early.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, so that is
POC
about
great James
18.
Joyce.
No, early Victorian period. Mr. Bennett किसमें थे? Jane Austen, Pride and Prejudice.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, so she has taken the character from there, and Mrs. Brown is a character in some of the, I think, book of Bronte sisters or other writers of the late Victorian period. So she has taken the characters from there. Okay. Now next
Ma'am,
is
is this
yes,
written in the response of Arnold essay?
no,
Matthew Arnold.
no. She was writing just for her own it. She was a feminist writer and she was writing it.
Okay, मैंने
Now,
नेट पे पढ़ा था तो वहाँ दे रखा था.
नहीं, अभी तक मैंने नहीं पढ़ा ये चीज़, तो मैं नहीं बताऊंगी. अगर होगा तो आई विल डेफिनेटली लेट यू नो. बट मैंने नहीं पढ़ा कि ये उनके कॉन्ट्रास्ट में या किसी फेवर में या उनके रिस्पॉन्स में लिखा है. In politics and English language, which two of the following tricks are mentioned by George Orwell as bad habit of English use? Absolute words, pretentious diction, dying metaphor, or false modifiers. You have to choose two options.
B
Dying
and D.
metaphors.
Dying metaphor and false modifier.
Definitely. It's
D.
B and C. It's pretentious diction. You should not use flowery, over flowery language. बार बार ये चीज बताई है.
Purple castle.
ठीक है, तो दैट इज प्रिटेंटियस डिक्शन, जिसमें बहुत ज्यादा प्रिटेंशंस हो, जिसमें बहुत ज्यादा प्रिटेंडिंग चीजें हो, वो नहीं करनी है. दूसरा डाइंग मेटाफोर इज लाइक यूजलेस कंपैरिजंस. ओके, got it? That is a bad habit in English use. B and C is the answer. Again, match the following. The Tory Fox Hunter, What I Believe, The Death of Moth, Of Ambition.
Ma'am, Francis Bacon of Ambition.
Of Ambition
Ma'am,
is
Death
Francis
of
Bacon.
Death of Moth
Who did
Virginia
understand
Bacon.
Bacon? वर्जीनिया वुल्फ का कौन सा है इसमें से, ये बताओ.
Ma'am,
जोसेफ
The
फर्डिनेंड
Death
ये
of the
The
Moth
Death of the Moth.
is Virginia Woolf.
is वर्जीनिया वुल्फ. Okay, and
Tory
Edison
Fox
का
Hunter is
Tory
Joseph
Fox
Edison.
Hunter.
What I believe is by E.M. Foster.
What I Believe is by E.M. Foster. What I Believe is by E.M. Foster. And Death of the Moth is by Virginia Woolf. And The Tory Fox Hunter is by Joseph Edison. It's very simple, right? So, यहाँ पे हमने फर्स्ट जो फाउंड किया था दैट इज डी का फर्स्ट. कहाँ गया ऊपर? डी का फर्स्ट किस में आ रहा है? दो ऑप्शंस के अंदर हमें मिल रहा है डी का फर्स्ट, इसमें और इसमें. Then the another question, another option we have found is Death of the Moth by Virginia Woolf. C ka 4. That is this. So we can find out the answer only by 2. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Arrange the following characters in the chronological sequence of how they appear. Mirabelle, Shylock, Jimmy Potter, Sir Epicure, Mammon.
Jimmy Potter is the first one, 1954.
1954. Shylock,
Back in anger.
Mirabelle,
Shylock is in Merchant of Venice.
Merchant of Venice. 1600.
around, yes. Merchant of Venice का publication date क्या है?
1600.
I'm at 1600.
Sir Epicure, Manon किसमें है?
From The Alchemist में Ben
Alchemist is published in
Johnson का.
1610. That is in 1610. Okay, Mirabelle was
Way of the World.
published in the Way of the World by Congreve, that
William
is
Congreve.
1700, and this is in 1600. So it should be BDAC. BDAC. Second is the option. Which of the following concepts are developed in the work of Frederick Jameson? बताओ. Pastage, hyperreal, psychophrencia and habitus. फ्रेडरिक जेमसन कौन सी थ्योरी से रिलेटेड है, पहले तो ये बताओ.
Psychoanalysis.
फ्रेडरिक जेमसन साइको एनालिसिस से कैसे रिलेटेड है? कल्चरल स्टडीज में पढ़ा है हमने ये राइटर. फ्रेडरिक जेमसन हमने कल्चरल स्टडीज में पढ़ा है, तो ये किस में आएगा? पोस्ट कॉलोनियल के अंदर है. ठीक है, पोस्ट कॉलोनियल एंड पोस्ट मॉडर्न थ्योरी के अंदर फ्रेडरिक जेमसन आता है. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? पैसेज, दैट इज द पैचेस व्हिच वी यूज फॉर द वर्चुअल आर्ट एंड लिटरेचर के अंदर जो हम पैचेस यूज करते हैं, कैरेक्टर्स को पेस्ट करते हैं यहाँ से वहां इमिटेशन के लिए, तो इसने पैचेस यूज करा है. सेकंड इज हाइपर रियल, या hyper reality he has talked about. No, he has not talked about hyper reality. Hyper reality is a term by Baudrillard. वो तो बॉल्डियार्ड की टर्म थी ना, उसमें सैमुअल आक्रा की टर्म थी हाइपर रियल. तो इसकी थी साइकोफ्रेंसिया इसकी टर्म है. साइकोफ्रेंसिया इज लाइक अ सीरियस मेंटल डिसऑर्डर.
Freud on Jean Curl.
हाँ, इट्स अ सीरियस मेंटल डिसऑर्डर.
Ma'am, Jean Curl maybe.
जीन कॉल? क्या जीन कॉल?
Psychoanalysis theory.
साइको एनालिसिस थ्योरी तो बेटा फ्रॉइड एंड लकान एंड जंग की है. वो तो आपके कल्चरल स्टडीज में आता ही नहीं है. फ्रेडरिक जेमसन बिलोंग्स टू कल्चरल स्टडीज. ये हमने कल्चरल स्टडीज में पढ़ा.
Schizophrenia will come in
यस,
cultural studies.
पैसेज, हाइपर रियल, मैंने आपको बताया था. सैमुअल आक्रा, सैमुअल आक्रम, सैमुअल आक्रेक, राइट. वो सब किसमें? बॉडीयार्ड किसमें पढ़ाया था? मैंने कल्चरल स्टडीज में तो कराया. मैंने तो आपको ये थियरी सारी पोस्ट कॉलोनियल, पोस्ट मॉडर्न सब उसी में कराई थी. फॉरगेटेड, सब भूल गए हो क्या अमित? तो कुछ तो बोलो, भूल गए हो. देखो, पैसेज मतलब पैचेस, और यू कैन से लाइक इमिटेशन इन आर्ट. ठीक है, इमिटेशन इन आर्ट इज पैचेस. दैट इज अ टर्म बाय जेमसन. हाइपररियल बॉल्डियार्ड की टर्म है, दैट इज सैमुअल आक्रा. एंड हैबिटस मीन्स हैबिट्स. Habitus means habits, or you can say skills, habits and skills. अब ये टर्म किसकी है मुझे अभी पता नहीं चल रहा, क्योंकि ये सोशियोलॉजिकल टर्म हमने उसमें पढ़ा था, लास्ट में पढ़ा था, हैबिटस. ये किसकी टर्म है? मोस्ट प्रोबेबली आपकी मैं देख के बताती हूँ आपको, 1 मिनट दो मुझे. बाकी साइकोफ्रेंजिया इज अ टर्म बाय फ्रेडरिक जेमसन. बिकॉज ये जो ब्लैक लोगों के साथ जो ट्रीटमेंट होता था उसके कंसर्न में इन्होंने दिया हुआ था कि ये टर्म यहाँ पे होनी चाहिए. गॉट इट? फाइन. एंड हाइपररियल इज बाय बॉल्डियार्ड. ये ध्यान रखो आप लोग.
What is hyperreal?
हाँ,
What is hyperreal?
hyperreal is what is super natural or super real thing. Habitus टर्म भी बॉर्डियो की है. Habitus टर्म इज बाय बॉर्डियो. ये लास्ट में हमने करी थी. Habitus इज बाय दैट इज नेचर एंड आर्कियोलॉजी के अंदर हमने टर्म पढ़ी थी न्यू हिस्टोरिसिज्म में बॉर्डियो की टर्म है ये न्यू हिस्टोरिसिज्म से रिलेटेड ठीक है पियरी बॉर्डियो याद आया याद आया पियरी बॉर्डियो मैंने लास्ट में करवाया था हिस्टोरिसिज्म में
थोड़ा
हाँ
मिस
तो ये ध्यान रखो अपना अब यहाँ पे ऑप्शन क्या है ए एंड सी इज द ऑप्शन फाइन
Yes, ma'am.
now arrange
Yes,
the
ma'am.
following plays in the chronological order the sergeant Musgrave's dance the playboy of the western world look back in anger man and superman now look back in anger man and superman एक सेकेंड प्ले बॉय ऑफ द वेस्टर्न वर्ल्ड ये तीन तो सबको पता ही होगा अगर और कोई सा नहीं भी पता है तो प्ले बॉय ऑफ द वेस्टर्न वर्ल्ड किसमें है 1907 बाय सेंच
07 में जॉन मिलिंगटन
हाँ
सेंस
इट्स जे हाँ सेंच ही तो लिखा है बेटा लुक बैक इन एंगर 1956 yes that is John Osborne man and superman
1903
1903 or 4 by Shaw and Sergeant Musgrave dance the first play
1959
किसका है ये जॉन आर्डन
जॉन आर्डन
कहाँ का प्ले राइट है ये इंग्लिश प्ले राइट ही है जॉन आर्डन 1959 जॉन
मैम किचन
हाँ ये भी किचन सिंह ड्रामा ही है अब अगर हम इसको लगाते हैं तो फर्स्ट इज डी देन हेयर कम्स बी देन कम्स सी so D B C A third is the option अगर हमें तीन भी पता है तो we can go with it ठीक है but Sergeant Musgrave's dance that is John Arden 1959 that will come in last okay now next match the following modernity at large the tourist gaze culture and imperialism the black Jacobins इसमें authors को आपको देखना है So, Modernity at Large is a work by Appadurai. The Tourist Gaze is a work by J. Jury. Culture and Imperialism should be known to all of you. That is side. And The Black Jacobians is by James. जहाँ पे भी जेम्स जेमसन ये नेम्स होते हैं समझ लो ब्लैक पर्सन की बात की गई है वो ब्लैक के ही सरनेम्स ज्यादा होते हैं तो आप अगर ये दो ऑप्शन जानते हैं तो देखते हैं कि मिलता है या नहीं मिलता है आंसर डी का आंसर है 3 एंड सी का आंसर है 2 if you know D is 3 and C is 2 is there the combination is matching no answer is D got it आप लोगों को अगर एक दो ऑप्शन देख के समझ नहीं आता है तो यू डोंट हैव टू डिसअपॉइंट इसीलिए बार बार समझा रही हूँ कि अगर एक या दो आंसर भी आते हैं उसके बेस पे जो आपको करेक्ट आंसर नजर आ रहा है कि हाँ ये दो तो सही है और उसमें ये दो कॉम्बिनेशन है जस्ट गो फॉर इट without any hesitation ठीक है what might the speaker means when he addressed time in Shakespearean sonnet and declares that I will be true despite thy Scythe and thee time preserves human life with time comes changes time creates opportunity time removes human life so when he is addressing time he I by thy Scythe and thee.
Now with time comes changes.
Time preserves human life and
With time comes change.
Ma'am,
Yes,
time come
with
changes and
time
time
comes
removes
change
human life.
because I will be true means कि whatever the time will be, I will be the same. तो यहाँ पे time will come to a change. Definitely, this is definite time. Now, despite die, इसके अलावा भी मतलब ये होगा I will be true. Despite this, इसके बावजूद भी सिथे and the despite die सिथे means कि जो अपॉर्चुनिटीज या जो भी टाइम है टाइम यूज टू kill the human beings we all are mortal so time removes human life despite thy sithe and thee ये किसकी बात कर रहा है thy sithe and thee is death that is time removes human life so the correct answer is B and D got it
Yes, ma'am.
sithe क्या होता है जिसे वो खोदते हैं फावड़ा जमीन खोदने का फावड़ा नहीं होता सीधे
Yes, ma'am.
वो तो सबको
Yes, ma'am.
पता होगा ना सीधे बोलते हैं हम उसको उसे खोदने के लिए है ना गड्ढा खोदने के लिए जो होता है सीधे तो ही से डिस्पाइट दैट सीधे एंड दी कि वो हमें उखाड़ के फेंक देगा और वो कौन है वो डेथ डेथ को हम शी करके बुलाते हैं ना इसलिए यहाँ पे दी लिखा नॉट दाउ ओके ये लैंग्वेज तो समझ में आती है दी एंड दाउ की
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Yes.
Which two of the following stage direction are from Harold Pinter's The Birthday Party? The living room of a house and a seaside town, a garbage pail on the ground next to the porch step, a light shows from upstairs bedroom, lower floor window being dark,
Ma'am, C1.
he hangs the drum around his neck. Tap, please mute your mic. Tap it gently with a stick, then marches round the table, beating it regularly. This is all what is there.
A and D.
हाँ तो ये
A
situation
and D. A and D.
देखो
A and
लिविंग
D.
हाउस द लिविंग रूम ऑफ अ हाउस यहाँ पे क्या दिखा है विच टू ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेज डायरेक्शन आर फ्रॉम कौन कौन सी स्टेज डायरेक्शन बर्थडे पार्टी से पहली बात तो लिविंग रूम दिखाया था वहां पे क्योंकि बर्थडे पार्टी उसी में हो रही थी और
A
उसको
was
गिफ्ट में क्या मिला था ड्रम तो ही हैंग्स द ड्रम अराउंड द नेक एंड वाज स्टिकिंग इट जेंटली उसको बजाता हुआ घूम रहा था ना वो बीटिंग इट रेगुलरली तो ये दो तो है ही है
Yes.
ए एंड डी इज द आंसर Amit, Mohan, are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't got demoralized, ठीक है कि हमें नहीं आ रहा है आ जाएगा जब इतने क्वेश्चंस कर रहे हो तो एटलीस्ट ये याद तो रहेंगे Arrange the following lines poetry in the chronological sequence. Now you have to identify the poetry by the lines. An aged man is but a paltry thing. कौन सी poem से है ये?
Ma'am,
Very
sailing to
good.
Byzantium.
Ma'am,
By
Yes.
W.B. Yeats.
Sailing to Byzantium.
1928.
W.B. Yeats, 1928. Very good. The world is too much with us.
Shakespeare's
I know this, ma'am. I know.
William
William
Wordsworth.
Wordsworth.
1807.
कौन सी पोयम है बताओ
The world is too
टाइटल
much
भी
with
यही
us.
है
This
टाइटल
is
भी
the
यही है
title
यस
of the poem.
1807
Yes, ma'am.
डैडी आई हैव हैड टू किल यू यस
Lady Sylvia Plath.
ये फर्स्ट लाइन है उसकी शी वांटेड टू किल हर फादर ठीक है
1965.
1965 डैडी
65.
poem Plath Sylvia Plath after great pain a former feeling comes
Emily Dickinson
yes
की है.
same
Same
name
name से.
से है
Title
year
same ही है.
Ma'am, nobody.
1862
Nobody.
1862 Emily Dickinson क्या कह रहे हो nobody
Dickinson. There was a poem by Dickinson, Emily
हाँ
Dickinson. You are nobody or something.
काफी पोएम्स उसकी फर्स्ट लाइन ही उसके टाइटल्स हैं ठीक है नाउ द आंसर विल बी बी D,
A and C.
A and C. B, D, A, C. B, D, A, C. First is the answer. Okay. Now this is GP1.
Yes, ma'am.
ये आप लोग कर लीजिएगा. ये आपका एक क्वेश्चन पेपर कंप्लीट हो गया है यहाँ पे.